This is a Wright Brown OWB Plus mag for the Glock 42. This is what it would look like sitting on a belt. This is a 1.5 inch belt.